Nasdaq and Tesla basically didn't rebound as we thought, only rebounds for today and went back to the oversold zone. So what is going on? Do we need to be panicked? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you to make more money from trading market. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. This channel is just for education purpose. We don't recommend you to do any trade. So now we look at Nasdaq. Basically, last video I mentioned we have A, B, C scenario, right? So basically, it's not even C, the D, they're doing the D scenario. What is D scenario? They drop below the previous low. They drop below this previous low. Is it good? No. If you look at this descending channel, you just draw 2 points, the top, and then you draw a line. This is a channel, basically it's a resistance. So we're just bouncing in under this resistance, right? You copy and paste, you chop here, and basically you see another supporting channel. You see when it is under, is resistance, 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 boom, support here, support a little bit, and drop again, support again, and support, support, support. Okay, now we drop below. Do we need to panic? Look at here. So even they drop below, within 3 days, they go up again. Okay, so now we are on the second day. So tomorrow is the third day. So basically, hopefully tomorrow will go up again. Okay, go up again. Is it possible? Yes. Look at our RSI. Basically, what happened is I forecast, which I thought last week here we start the rebounds. So which is scenario C, because they hit the trend line and the RSI is low enough. Did it rebound? Yes, but only rebounds for 2 days. So to be honest, I'm quite disappointed. And then they drop again. They go back to this oversold zone. The worst is they drop even lower. Okay, so remember the resistance zone I have mentioned about this line around 34, which is the average low. So many times happen when they drop around here, they will stop and start the rebounds. And is it lowers? No, we can go lower. Even they can go lower here. They can go more. Okay, they can go more. So now it seems like they start to rebound, right? So let's see how it goes. And hopefully they can go up again inside this zone to do the up and down bouncing. Okay. Now look at another of my indicator called YM Big Buy. This is a short-term indicator to tell us the big volume trade. Green is the buying power. Red is the selling power. So under 0 is weak market. So right now you can see where are we now. The good thing is the red power is reducing. When they drop below the trend line, they have a big volume to go down. That's how come they would drop below, okay? So what happened is the red is reducing and you go very, very slim. You see the last candle here? So this is a good thing. And hopefully they will fresh a green tomorrow, like say, just like, for example, just like this, when they drop, and the green fresh, and they go up again. The green fresh, they go up again. The best is to go above 0. Then it is strong to start the rebound. When it did not go above 0, look at what happened is they kind of doing sideways around this trend line. So it is not good for most of the trader, because sideways is the most difficult one. Okay, you cannot short, you cannot long. Okay, by the way, I have also give you some alert in my previous video about this rebound. Is it strong rebounds or weak rebounds? The answer is weak rebounds, and this rebounds would be quite it's not like a long continuous rebounds like this or like this. Okay, will be a short one and quite frustrated. So if you are not a professional trader and you're still learning, reduce your amount, especially the one if you love to do the options or if you love to do short or long for index, you need to be very careful, because it will be very frustrating for this case, okay? And it is not easy to catch. If you're a very beginner, if you don't have stock inside right now, maybe better just to learn this moment, okay? This is my little bit advice. Learn before you earn, okay? Keep your capital first, okay? Keep it safe first. Okay, so now look at my another indicator called YM cheapest. Basically, this indicator is more for you to understand the funding, okay? So you can see the red bar is the institution. What happened is the red bar is reducing, okay? Remember, I have mentioned if we have, when we have a strong rebound trend, what happened for the the red bar? What happened for the red bar is the red bar need to go up like this one, or go very high volume, okay? And right now we not yet there. Is it possible to go up? Yes, but we still need to see, okay? For example, here RSI fresh very low, they start rebounds, a lot of green bar here, which is lock individual, and the red is reducing. And then after, when the big buy fresh above 0, and they also doing the same time, the red bar is going up, the purple is going up. When the purple is going upward, this rebound is strong. When the purple is going flat, purple line is the average of the red bar. When the purple going flat, this is okay rebounds, average rebounds. When the purple going downward, this is a very weak rebound, okay? So is it clear? So this is a very, very excellent, for me, I love this indicator. This is one of my signature indicator to tell me when to go, when to leave the stock also, okay? When it's going downward, you really need to consider to reduce your holding, okay? Is it clear? Okay. Another of my indicator called YM chip entry. So you will see some chips coming in here, some chips coming here. Even here right now, we still have some chips coming inside. So do we have charts? So when you come inside, basically it means relatively low. But is it the lowest? Not necessary. So don't use one single indicator to be your indicator. Okay, this is for example, look at here. They start to fresh the green from here, and they keep freshing the green. Because remember, when the big institution, when they enter the stock or when they enter the market, they are not limited resources. They have lots of fun. Okay, so they don't use one lot, boom, all in. They don't do this. They use separate lots to buy the stock or to enter the market. Okay, so we don't use one single indicator to indicate where to buy. And we don't need to follow them because we are limited resources, right? I don't know are your opinion or not, but please, I will just try to protect your portfolio. So this is just an indicator for reference that is relatively low points, okay? For people thought, oh, this is low point, let's buy, and then boom, they would drop, okay? This is just tell us for some of our strategy, we use this for reference, okay? Not necessary to use it for all buying point, but this is could be quite a good reference to tell you this is a relatively low point. Okay, so back to the point. Right now, we under this channel, this downward channel. What's going on? So we need to come back to this channel very quick. To be honest, previously 3 days outside of this channel, and previously 3 days outside of this channel. So you need to go back very quickly. So tomorrow will be the 3rd day. So hopefully they can go up again. They can go up again. Okay, is it possible? Yes. So let's see how it goes with the funding coming in. Okay, the next thing, but I want to repeat, Nasdaq is still very weak. If you look at my YM Club Long, for my subscriber already have it, you should look at this trend line, the direction. What is the direction right now? Blue. The blue line. The blue line is going downward. So what happened? What does it mean? When it's going downward, it means the whole trend is going downward. Okay? Do we need to? So right now, the best is to reduce your holding, to use the resistance point or to use my indicator to sell the stock. Okay, I'm not telling you to short the stock. I'm just telling you to reduce the holding. Okay, because right now we're doing a sideways kind of. My previous video, I mentioned this purple line. Do you remember? Okay, so basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it possible to have a wave 4? Yes, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to identify this is wave 4 or this is a bear market ABC? Remember how? This is the critical point. The wave 4 here cannot be lower than the wave 1 peak. Okay, so we need to stay above 12855, but it's quite far away to be honest. So right now we just need to reduce the holding in case it go all the way down and come to rebounds when it's around here. This is quite a big job. Okay, for example, right now to here, which is 10% also, so which is quite a lot of job. So do we need to bear that risk right now? No, we just need to reduce the risk. This is what we have to do. So this is A as a 1, 2, 3, and right now we're still in 4. Is it possible to be here? Yes, of course, like this. This one would be perfect. But is it possible to be like this? Yes. Okay, this is the theory of the wave. So as long as we are still above this purple line, we are still in the wave 4 and the wave 5 will come next. Okay, so it's good to have wave 5. Why? Wave 5 is an upward trend. Okay, will be shorter than wave 3, but it's still good because it will most likely, most of the case will create highest peak, a highest peak. Is it possible to create double peak? Also, but usually, let's say 70% of chance we create a higher peak. Okay, so now look at Tesla. Okay, Tesla. First, I have, let's look at this. If you don't have indicator, look at this triangle trend here. Okay, so basically we drop below this. And what happened is we are waiting for the rebounds because we are waiting. Wow, the RSI is so low. It should rebound. Did it rebound? Do we have a buy signal here? The answer is no, because, well, with my strategy, remember my strategy is like when it's under 30, we look at the latest candle under 30. Let's say on 20th of October here, right? So we look at this candle, we point the highest point. We need one candle to close above this candle, the last candle under 30. Do they have any candle close above 30? No. And then the RSI go up, but the candle did not go above 30. Did not go above the previous highest point. So we don't have any buying signal. And the next day they drop below. The RSI drop below again. So the purple line moved to this candle. Okay. And what happened is, do we have any candle go above? No. And we are still under 30. So this purple line basically moved to the latest candle here. Okay. So we need to close above 212.41, and then it will confirm the oversold signal is done, and then we will start rebounds. But again, it is a strong rebound or weak rebound. The answer is this is a weak rebound, and also we have a resistance here. Okay, the resistance highest point is on 242.08, 242.08. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Do we have this indicator? Can you have, like, look at this? We are still on the, okay, oh, we already have the green bar here. So this is good. We already have the green bar. So you mean the big volume come in, the big volume buying power come in. Okay, but we still need this go above the purple line. Why we cannot buy now? Because this is the strategy to reduce the risk. Okay, we don't need to buy at the lowest price here. We just need to buy before they start to rebound. Okay, we try to avoid this kind of sidewalk. Okay, that's why we need to wait to one candle close above this the latest candle under 30. Is it clear? Okay, so okay, if you have my indicator YM club long, you can see the blue line is going downward. So this one is a downtrend. This one we will still see as a rebound. Okay, a weak rebound. If you don't have stock here, don't enter the market unless you are a very good trader. Okay, but this would be quite weak rebound. Okay, that's it. And the red line is a good indicator for very short term. So we just go above the red line, but the red line is still going downward. So you need to be careful. You need to be careful. The best is this one go above purple line. And then I think this one will turn also turning upward. So we can use for the short-term holder, for the one who want to reduce this holding, you can use this red line as an indicator to sell the stock. Again, this is just for education purpose. I don't recommend you to do any trade here, but this indicator do tell us a very good point to buy and very good point to sell when they drop, when they close below this red line. Okay, it's a good indicator here. So you don't hold the stock for short term. You don't hold the stock here to here. And you hold here and you sell here. Okay, you buy and sell. So is it a good single indicator to tell the buy sell point? Yes. Okay, again, but we are in the weak trend. So now we look at YM chippers. Wow. Okay, so the red bar is going lower and lower and lower, and we have a lot of green here. So, and the purple line, what does it mean, the green? The green means individual chips, individual lock chips. Why green is bad? Because green, the individual cannot help you to pull the stock up. Okay, because the green, the action is not consistent. We need the red to pull up the price. Okay, so we need a lot of red to pull up the price. So for example here, right, when this one go downward, we go downward as well. Look at here. When to start to go up the price is the purple line going upward. When we have a buying signal, we always need to check the YM chippers. When this purple line, the purple line is the moving average of this red bar. When the purple line is going upward, this is a strong rebound. When the purple line is going flat, is average rebound. When the purple line is going downward, this is a weak rebound, a weak trend. Okay, I shouldn't say rebound, I should say trend. How much they can go up, we need the purple to go upward. So which one you prefer to buy, when it is strong or average or weak? The answer is strong. We need to buy as strong. For example, if you buy around here, right, even the blue is going downward, but the purple is already going upward. So you can start a little bit, not all in. I'm saying, let's say 5%, and you add your position here. Okay, is it possible? Yes. Why not? Because it's the purple going upward already. Yeah, even they going downward. So it's just a try position here, 5%, another 5%, and then just wait the trend. Okay, this is Tesla. For other stock, you can use the same strategy. But I want you to, if you have my indicator, for the one who doesn't have my indicator, you can subscribe it per month. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can also subscribe it per year, which I'm doing a promotion right now, which is cheaper. So it's up to you, but try this. And if you have a big position, especially in some stock, you can leave me a comment in the below. I will see if we can analyze it. If the one is long stock is the one famous stock, if the one not so famous stock, I try not to promote the stock here or comment the stock here, because some people will think I'm trying to recommend you the stock. Okay, I'm not trying to do any recommendation here, by the way. So the one who doesn't have this indicator, subscribe it. The one who already have it, check your stock, look at this blue line and look at ym cheapest. Okay, just these two things first. If this blue line is going downward, and then maybe you should start to think how to reduce the holding. Okay, especially you have a lot of green chips, and switch, especially the purple line is going downward like this. When it's going downward and the purple going downward, this is a double confirmation. Okay, another thing is if it is going upward, let's say it's going upward and there is a lot of red, the red is over 50 and the purple is going up, then your stock is safe. Is there still have some stock like that? Yes, there is, but very, very few. So I want you to check your portfolio with these two indicators first, ym club long and ym cheapest. Just these two indicators to check is your stock is healthy or not. We keep the healthy one. Okay, so this is my sharing today. I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. If you want to join the complete strategies, I have few strategies for you to trade the stock market with an easy strategy, easy indicator pair up. You can also join my course. This is a complete strategy, and this is super cool. And for you, for the one who hasn't got my indicator and want to try to start some trading, you can subscribe. Also use the link in my description and to try it. Okay, so I see you in the next video. And everyone, love and peace. Always feel positive. I see you in the next video. Bye.